Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Uba Himalaya muktan sang pliang ubalami no nakapati BJP ulai thu uba udai menteri rangba jong kajala ukonrat kongka sangma baru sembut menteri rangba uba Preston Tensong kibala thung ya ukum unang aibut jong katanat puli puthi jong ka sarkar jala hendrai amda ka jing menjur jong ka BJP ka bayat relang hapok ka sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance balaya lamda ka NPP Haga jing kremik la patai kubor haga nyautrik unai lur ahza apulai uba sang pliang ula keno ru bade state president jong ka BJP uba Ernest Mauri ubala Phah tar mardor ha uba Alexander Elheng ya ka Shithi aikam ya uba sang pliang hapok ka sarkar bade thuru uba Ernest ula penbor ya uba Elheng ban Thungkam penban yaladi Habai thu ikidaw kibala pelong ya uban mi no anaka BJP uba sang pliang ula keno ba amtang uba Ernest Mauri kum state president jong ka party ubam shimla sngap ya ka jing ajing mun ban penklan ya ka party hendrei wat national president jong ka BJP UJP Nandaru ule bam sit nyau ya ka jing ajing mun jong uba sang pliang kum uwe ni kinong ya lam jong ka BJP ha ka ringa jilla Meghalaya
I must admit to you today this is something very interesting that the post of advisor was offered to me by the Honorable Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and by the Deputy Chief Minister Mr. Preston Tensong. These two gentlemen, they called me one day and they said, have you been given any post? I said no. So I said, then they said, okay, you can collect your appointment letter tomorrow. Whereas I asked Mr. Mauri over and over again whether you have sent our names to the Chief Minister with recommendations for some assignments. He said, I will be doing it. I said, kindly remember us. We are 4 ex-MLAs in this party. And there is one senior IPS officer who has taken retirement and is sitting out. So that comes to 5. Mr. Kharkram and 4 others. And Mr. Mauri did not send one line to the Chief Minister recommending us. And more shockingly, when I got this appointment of advisor, Mr. Heck called me. He said, please come over to my room. I went to his room. And Mr. Heck congratulated me and rather asked me, how did you get your appointment? Who recommended you? I said, I got it from the Chief Minister, directly. Then Mr. Heck revealed something which is shocking to all of you. I must tell you this today, that Mr. Heck had already recommended my name and Mr. Kharkram's name in a DO letter for an assignment, and that letter was addressed to the Honorable Chief Minister. As a matter of courtesy, Mr. Heck called up Mr. Mauri saying, I am sending one recommendation to the Chief Minister for 2 names, Mr. Shankliang and Mr. Kharkram, for some assignment to be given by the CM. Mr. Mauri said, please hold on, I am coming to your room. Mr. Mauri goes to Mr. Heck's room and tells him to tear away that appointment, that recommendation letter, saying, how could you do this? These 2 people have just joined the party yesterday. Please recommend my name, he says. Mr. Mauri says, please recommend my name. You can ask Mr. Heck if you want to verify all this. Had to comply to the request of the party president. He tore away that letter and rather recommended Mr. Mauri's name. How could you betray? This is treachery. This is betrayal. When I kept going, requesting him to give recommendations for 5 of us to the Chief Minister for some posts, he rather goes from the back door and asks Mr. Heck to tear away that kind of recommendations and rather wants his name to be recommended. Now it is up to Maori and it's up to Heck to clarify that, because this is what Mr. Heck told me. I have no comments on the role played by Mr. Dipayan. It is for the party president to judge his own workers, his fellow workers whom he trusts.